I provide mentorship and an accountability system for an exclusive group of people. Some of the topics discussed in my mentorship program includes getting wisdom for your ICAN journey, reprogramming your mind for success, how to finish ICAN exam twice, winning the battle for your mind, the surgical approach to study, reading with ease, the spirit of excellence, how to overcome lecture stress, overcoming work stress, achieving the impossible, superior intelligence, understanding the ICAN marking scheme, amongst others. My accountability system ensures that no one is left behind and everyone has equal access to the best resources and support system. I'll show you how to come up with your personalized reading plan and provide customized revision plans. Your success is my utmost priority, and I hold you up in prayers to ensure your success. That's not all. Tomorrow, I'll tell you more about the systems and structures I've put in place to ensure your success.